Today, we're taking a look at the Toyota 86 2-in-1 kit from Aoshima, which just got released earlier this year, just not too long ago. So with this kit, you can build either the 2012 Toyota 86 or the 2016 version. So you have your choice of front bumpers, rear bumpers, wheels, mirrors, spoilers, interior pieces, exterior pieces, as well as options for left and right-hand drive. Decal choices to either do this as a Toyota 86 or the Scion FRS. Almost full engine detail, 1/24 scale. Let's check it out. Hey everyone, and welcome into today's What's in the Box. So initially this was released in 2012 as the Toyota 86, with custom wheel option. Then following that in 2013, the first version with the engine parts was released. Both of the Rocket Bunny versions were released. Itasha Dragon Rampa 86 kit. And then in 2014, they did two reboxes as a pre-painted version, white and red. 2016 saw the reissues of the Rocket Bunnies. 2017 saw the reissue of the stock and the with wheel option. 2019, they pre-painted versions of the 2016 model year, black and silver. And then this here in 2020. Let's check it out. Getting started with the body. Now we're going to take a look at some of the bumper choices for this kit. Up top, this is going to be the 2016 rear bumper. We do 2016 front bumper. And the 2012 bumper and side fender vent pieces. Taking a look now at the main body parts tree, which has the firewalls. Choice of firewalls depending on which side. Put the steering wheel on, hood, trunk, spoiler for the 2012 version, bumper for the 2012 version, mirrors for the 2012 version, door handles. And the parts tree for the 2016 version. All these parts will be used if you do it as the 2016 model year. So you have different grille, part of the spoiler, the rear bumper, I don't know what I call it, kind of diffuser piece, steering wheel, mirror housing, and the second parts tree for the 2016 version. This has the fender vents. You have the end caps for the spoiler, the feet, and the antenna puck there. Feet, spoiler feet, and end caps. Taking a look at now the chassis parts tree, which includes the left and right hand drive cowl options. It's going to be if you build the 2012 model year. Now I'm going to take a look at the left and right hand drive option, dashboard drive options. Options, so you have a bit of, you have pedal options, shifter options, dash infotainment pieces. Taking a look now at the main interior parts tree. We're going to take a look at the main suspension parts tree. So you can see there are two sets of brake rotor options. One set is stock, one set is camber. Now I'm going to take a look at the engine parts tree. Now taking a look at the chrome parts trees. Start with the main chrome parts tree here, which is shared in all the kits. The next parts tree, this is going to be used if you build it as the Scion FRS. This is going to be for the 2016 version. So you have a new set of tail lights, headlights, driving lights. Taking a look at the clear parts tree. These tail lights are going to be used if you do the 2012. Same with the headlights on the other side. Those will be used if you do it for the 2012. If you do the 2016 version, you'll be using these clear parts. Tail light lenses on the right, if you're going to do it as the 2016. On the left, this will be used for if you do it as the 2012. Now we're going to take a look at the wheel choices. On top you have the 2016 wheels, and on bottom you have the 2012 wheels. Now we turn our attention to the set of roundy rounds, which are bridge stones. Now we're going to take a look at the decal sheet and window mask. Sheet, first the window mask and the decal sheet, which is pretty much the same decal sheet that's been used in the entire run for the stock kits. It just has had some additional decals added. So that, my friends, is going to conclude this look at the Toyota 86 2-in-1 kit from Aoshima. You can see the different options you can do. Built close to 24 or 25 of these kits are getting to that number. It's over 20 now. I know I have an issue. I build way too many 86. And yes, if you want to get yourself some Toyota 86 Scion FRS color matched paint, Jameson and Scalefinishes can get that done for you, or get them mixed up for you. So on that note, thanks for watching.